In today's tips and tricks video, we will show how a CFD engineer working in STAR-CCM Plus software can set up and work with parameters to automatically assign and modify boundary values for hundreds of boundaries with only a few clicks of the mouse. On the screen, we have a complicated CFD model with hundreds of boundaries associated with server racks in a data center. We would like to be able to quickly and easily modify the pressure at all of these boundaries, while also having the ability to adjust individual boundaries to unique values if needed. To do so, I first combine all of the boundaries. Next, I navigate to the automation folder within the simulation object tree and expand the parameters submenu. I then choose to add a new scalar parameter and name it rack pressure, and also assign it the units of pressure in pascals. Next, I navigate back to the boundary I created previously and assign a pressure condition value at that boundary, choosing to use a constant parameter and then clicking the ellipses to go into the function definition window. There, I can choose any internal variable or report and use Java language operators thereon to define this boundary value. In this case, I'll simply set it equal to the new rack pressure parameter, which can be found from the variable. We can then split the single boundary by the operator non-contiguous to arrive at all of the unique boundaries pre-assigned a value equal to the parameter that we set up. Parameters are unbelievable time savers. Give them a shot and we know you'll leave it.